Thinking trading rules are too strict? Here is how they actually set you up for a long-term trading success. Hi everyone, I'm Romana, a professional trader from HyroTrader. Today we are diving into essentials of risk management with our prop firm challenge. A lot of new traders find these rules challenging, but remember, hard training, easy battle. These rules exist to help you build better skills to achieve trading success. Let's break down how each rule benefits your trading journey. First, let's talk about daily drawdown. This rule is designed to show you if your risk management could use some improvement. Our dashboard tracks your daily progress, helping you to reduce big swings on your account. The goal here is less volatility, which means less stress and more sustainable approach to trading. Next, we have maximum risk per trade. This reinforces the critical need for stop loss and helps you prevent from risking too much on a single trade. It is tough, but it stops you from moving your stop loss if trades goes against you, something that can prevent bigger losses in long run. Finally, there is trading days requirement. Some prop firms let you pass your trading challenge in just single trade, but that's not really a sustainable approach. Our minimum trading days requirement helps you to learn consistency and avoid risky and gambling-like behaviors. It promotes steady and disciplined trading habits. By end of this challenge, you will understand the value of consistent risk management using stop loss and good discipline. And remember, most of the traders pass their challenge on third or fourth time attempt, so stick with it. Each attempt brings you closer to becoming stronger and more prepared trader. If you are ready to take the challenge, subscribe, hit the like button, and let us know which rule is the toughest. Thank you for watching, and let's master risk management together.